Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present for sale this red Renault Twingo 1 litre SCE Play 5-door for sale. The car comes with 2 keys. As you can see, the interior is in excellent condition. The car has Bluetooth and air conditioning. Moving into the rear, as you can see, 2 seats in the back, good leg room for rear passengers. See, the rear door handles are disguised quite nicely into the bodywork. All the wheels are in excellent condition. I've had a really good look around this car myself and it's in fantastic condition both inside and out. This car will come with at least 12 months MOT and a service before leaving.